Hello and welcome to Math 181, Calculus 1 online. This is great stuff. First time I've had three sections of the class run, 4001, 4002, and 4003. So that's pretty cool. Basic details. My name is Jeff Downs. Email address is there, jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. The home page may not work. I don't know. They've been changing the website up a little bit. Office is Aspen 224 on the Carson campus. My phone number in that office is 775-445-4400. My office hours are Tuesday and Thursday, 12:30 to 2 in the office, and on Wednesdays from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. online. Prerequisites: Math 127 or equivalent or consent of the instructor. Course description offers fundamental concepts of analytical geometry and calculus, functions, graphs, limits, derivatives, and integrals. Course objectives: upon completion of this course, successful students should be able to do the following: evaluate limits, you'll learn that early on, differentiate sums, powers, quotients, products, trigonometric and inverse trigonometric functions, logarithmic and exponential functions explicitly and implicitly, apply differentiation to curve sketching, solve related rates and optimization problems, use Newton's method to approximate zeros of a function, perform indefinite and definite integration of algebraic, trigonometric, exponential, and logarithmic functions with substitution method, find the area under a curve, solve growth and decay problems. So course credit is 4. Pretty full class here. I mean, 4 is a lot. Usually they're 3. Transferability within Nevada. This course is designed to apply toward a WNC degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed. It may transfer to colleges and universities outside Nevada. For more information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. Linkage to college mission: provide instruction that contributes to students' ability to think critically and solve problems, to really reason mathematically and apply computational skills. So we're on the 11th edition. This is a new edition. Kind of frustrated I had to go to the new edition. I thought the 10th was great. I thought the 9th was great. When I started here, I was on the 7th edition, and they keep cranking them out. Anyway, so we're on the 11th edition. So I have multiple options. I'm hoping I got these ISBNs correct because, again, things keep changing, and I try to update these ISBNs to match it. So you can go with the textbook only, and that could be a single semester textbook if you only plan on Calculus 1, and that'd be Calculus of single variable. I think you can get the single semester textbook, or it might be the first 2 semesters. I can't remember. You can get the textbook with WebAssign. You can get WebAssign with the book for a single term, WebAssign with that's the online book for a single term, WebAssign with the online book for, I think it's a 2-term thing. I'm not sure, but just double check that if it's going to work for your needs. So WebAssign is what you're going to need if you want to do the online homework and or online exams. Not everyone's eligible for the online exams, so when I have jumpstart situations, and you know if you're jumpstart, those are proctored exams. So here we go. Supplies: a textbook of some form, paper or online. A TI graphing calculator is optional but encouraged. I like to use the TI-89. The diagrams and the lessons, if you look at my lessons, which you should, are on the TI-89 calculator. So there's my grading scale. Pretty standard, A, B, C, D, F. So grade breakdown, midterm, and final are both 200 points. Then you have discussion points, 10 posts at 10 points each. Homework, 5 chapters at 40 points each. Quizzes, 10 at 10 points each. It's a total of 800 points. Exams will be a midterm due on October 16th, 2018. The midterm must be completed online, or paper exams must be in my possession by the due date. And again, well, I have it down here. The midterm covers chapters 1, 2, and 3. If you're part of a fast track section and your high school requires a proctored exam, your midterm must be proctored, must be a proctored paper exam. If you are part of a Jumpstart section, your exam will be on paper and proctored by the Jumpstart coach. Discussions: you must post at least 10 substantive discussion postings in Canvas. Each posting is worth 10 points for a maximum of 100 points. Homework: homework is due as a chapter. Homework may be completed on paper or online through WebAssign. For paperwork, see the homework assignment list. Each chapter is worth between 20 and 40 points for a total of 200 points. The website for login in the homework is this, but I'm trying to set it up so you can access WebAssign through the modules in Canvas. I think I have it set up. We'll see tomorrow or whenever you guys get into it, if I get it to work right. So that's been my plan, is to make it to where you can just get in there. Okay, quizzes. There will be 11 quizzes. I mean, if you look in the modules in Canvas, you'll see a link for a website. Anyway, quizzes. 11 quizzes. Top 10 quizzes will count toward the grade. If you're part of the fast track section and your high school requires a proctored quiz, your quizzes must be proctored and on paper. Final exam. There'll be a final exam due on December 11th, 2018. The final exam will cover chapters 4, 5, and 6. Note, if you are part of a fast track section and your high school requires a proctored final exam, your final exam must be a proctored paper exam. If you're part of a Jumpstart section, your exam will be on paper and proctored by the Jumpstart coach. So live meetings, there'll be weekly live meetings currently scheduled for Wednesdays from 1:15 to 2:15 p.m. I think these are going to work. If they don't, we'll adjust it around a little bit. So these are going to be something I expect, especially my Jumpstart group. There's a certain Jumpstart cohort that will attend these. Others are welcome to attend. No one's required to attend except the one specific group I'm thinking of. Anyway, in this time is not a lesson time. I have all the lessons in Canvas. I have lessons and videos and all that for you. This is time for us to work problems, for me to explain things and help you see things you might have missed. So I already kind of covered that. Attendance. There is no attendance for this class, but students must post 10 postings in the discussion boards. Also, students may attend the optional live sessions, but they are not required to attend those sessions. Except, of course, there's a group I'd like them to attend. Ethics statement: no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. Early alert: please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to Kim DeRoche. There's her email address. She's our director. Disability statement: Western Nevada College is committed to providing reasonable accommodations for all persons with disabilities. The syllabus is available in alternate formats upon request. It is also our goal to be as accessible as possible. If you anticipate any issues related to format, materials, or requirements of this course, please meet with me so that we may address accessibility concerns with the DSS office. Any student with a disability needing academic adjustments is required to register with the Disability Support Services office to receive academic accommodations for this class. Please submit an application for services, which can be found at this link. You will then be contacted by a DSS staff member to schedule an appointment. If you have any questions about DSS services, you can contact Susan Triss. There's her email address and phone number. Here are important dates. I'm pretty sure they're accurate. If you're relying on them, I would double check with the college website for academic dates. And here's a tentative schedule. I think we can keep this pace. If we need to move something, we can. Again, the meetings are scheduled as they are here. We have some holidays. You got Thanksgiving and all that. And the final exam. So really looking forward to this class. Calculus is a great subject, and I hope it opens everyone's mind. I hope you feel the ground shake when you get to some of those important sections. Okay, we'll see you online.